Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you something quick I made over the weekend, and what this does, it basically just replicates Apple Intelligence on these older devices here. So what this does, it is anytime you ask Siri something, it sends it to ChatGPT instead of Apple servers. So yeah, here we go. Who was the first president of the United States?
The first president of the United States was George Washington.
So yeah, there we go. Tell me simply, why is the sky blue? So just give it a sec.
The sky appears blue because of the way Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight. Blue light from the sun is scattered in all directions by the gases and particles in the atmosphere, making the sky look blue to our eyes.
Nice. Alright, let's try one more small thing. Write me a haiku about cats. Oh, read instead of... That's fine.
Soft paws on warm for whiskers twitching in the sun, lazy cat naps on.
So yeah, there we go. That is, I guess you can say Smart Siri for iOS 6. The plugin source will be available in my GitHub if you want to try it. Yeah, that's it, I guess. I hope you enjoyed the video. More videos like this, not like this, more videos will be coming soon. And yeah, hope you have a happy new year, and yeah, see you guys later.